Hello. Hey guys, this is a Java NetBeans tutorial, and this is the third video of this tutorial. In this video we will see how to create database in XAMPP localhost and how to connect database with NetBeans project. In this we will see a little bit on basics, learnings, basic information about database, because database is a very huge, very long, very deep courses. I'll make another sense completely database course, but this is a very little bit basic information, how to connect, how to create database. Okay, so let's start. Before the start, I would like to tell you I had installed, I had installation, I had video how to install, how to download XAMPP localhost database on your system. Okay, so if you didn't still see this, so before this video, please see this video, my last video, how to download, how to install database in your system. And now we'll start this video. Okay, let's click the XAMPP, and this is the old version of database. In the latest time, mostly latest XAMPP database connectivity available, but this is the old version, but there is no it's more difference, and these are similar almost. Okay, let's start. XAMPP is already running. Okay, let's click here, and we have this option Apache and MySQL. I had already running this. Click the admin. It will take only few seconds. Okay, just only. And this is a main frame of database. And okay, this is a main frame. So here is available lot of option. I had made before this multiple database. So now create a new database name. Okay, so let's start, just like database db database 2. I had already one database 1, or this is 2 db2. Okay, bd2 is sorry db2. Okay, create. Here we need to write any name of database, so we will use the name of just like users. Okay, yeah, new users. Okay, new users, and we need to two database fields here, you login and you password. Let's go. Here we need to describe which type would you like to create fields, just like you login. टाइप्स क्या रखेंगे इसका, एनीथिंग where you can mostly easily you can integer where. Okay, both of these. So strength size 20, and we need to specify the here one column. This is a must be used to primary. Okay, so login, we this is a must, we can use anything, one primary, password primary, login. So almost I used login primary. Okay, so here is password, here is length 20, and here we don't need to select this primary. This is we can secondary another, or only one field we need to must primary. Let's save this. Okay, we have two fields, login and password. So these are basic information, basic installation about XAMPP localhost in your system. Okay, now secondly I would like to show you directly we can here store the password and login from the backend. Okay, this is a backend database, so we can create here, and just like login name admin. Okay, and password is 123456. Let's go. Okay, insert into DB, new user, login and password, value admin, and 123456. Just check it. New users. Okay, here we have two fields, login and password. Sorry, login and password. So a logins field available, admin, and password is 123456. This password we will use in the database, oh sorry, NetBeans projects. So how to use this we will see in another video. So this is a basic information, because for the NetBeans projects we need to a small connectivity to database. In the database we will store all data. Okay, so this is a login page we had made in the last video. So login page हमने create किया है, and this is a use we will use in the login panel. Okay, and just see in the another video. Okay, let's meet. Bye bye.